Just because our factory is smart doesn't mean it's flawless. Sometimes things don't go as planned in your factory. Last week we showed you some displays that we use to both control and monitor our factory.
Today, we're going to show you how easy those interfaces can be created and connected in 20 seconds. Hey Nathan, can you show us how easy this is?
Yeah, come take a look. We use Thingworx to manage data from our Smart Factory. Because it is also a PTC product, it connects seamlessly to Kepware. First, we created a new mashup. We added buttons to allow user interaction. Events, like a button click, can trigger functions to run. For instance, we connected our button to the conveyor belt function with a click event. When the user clicks the button, the conveyor belt function is triggered, moving the conveyor belt. Now let's look at a mashup we created using Thingworx.
From the controls mashup, we can send commands from Thingworx to the robot. One of those commands is turning the main conveyor belt on or off. The status of the conveyor belt is shown on the bottom right corner of the screen. Each of these buttons and status lights are linked in Thingworx to the relevant variable in the main controller. We can also test the vacuum section on the robot. When the button is clicked, the status light changes to green, indicating the air is active. We will demonstrate the suction is working with the dice. You can also control the pneumatics for the entire system by toggling Enable Pneumatics. We will toggle the button to off, shutting off the air.